Alright, there we go. That's better. So, anyway, as I said, as I was saying, the season 3 will, so the end of season 3 will be on the last day of school. So when I get home from school on that day, I will hop on here, make one more episode showing this all off, and then this all gets hauled off the shop on the what is it? Oh yeah, that's right, on MRG's new map, and then all this equipment, so that includes the 8410 and the Brent grain train, right back there, the Deutz Alice 9190, and that trail to lift, and the 1770, 1720 stack full planter, the 843 cornhead, the MX270, the disc hair, the VT, and the white 2155, and the manure spreader, and the pickup, and the bean head, and the bean head itself, the bean head trailer, and then that bin and grain cart that are sitting in the other shed or on the other side. I don't even think you guys can see it, but you guys can see it through the boards there. But otherwise, the Challenger 65 I doubt will come to the there, but if it does, it'll be like used for something else or something. I don't know, tillage work, maybe plowing. I don't know. But anyway, we are done with field 3 and just heading on the field. I'll be heading on the field. What is it? Fields. I'll be heading on the field 7. No, not field 7. Field 2. After this, and combine soybeans there. And then I just got field 1 left to do, and that's it. And then I get to sell the trailer load full of soybeans. Ain't that nice? So yeah, we're just so I'm gonna move the 8410. So we're gonna be making them. So yeah, all the same equipment will be coming, except for the Dog 65, and the disc will be getting something different, something more American styled stuff. Yeah, the Dog 65 is American tractor, so I think the tractor will go with me to the new American map, but the plow will not. So, like I said, 8410, the wagon, combine and bean head, corn head, pickup and header trailer, the couple of things from the red roofed shed, the MX270, the white 2155. Already said the pickup, already said the combine. The Challenger 65 will come with us. The Deutz Alice 9190. The trailed lift with the 1720 stack full planter. The VT. And then, what else is there? Yeah, I should go into the shed and show you what I'm going to get out of there. So, then also, what I'm going to get out of there will be, I don't know about this, but I'll be taking that, and then, and also be taking this with me. So, stack full planter and that all go in one trip. And yeah. So when the time comes, I just gotta remember what all the tractors look like, and I gotta remember I had no-till cutters on my planter and liquid tanks on it too. So yeah, otherwise I gotta remember everything, how everything looks. I know not everything's gonna look just the same, but a little bit different. Come on, there you go. All right. Jeez, what you were lurching about. Odd. But anyway, that'll be all the stuff that comes along with me to the new American map. So, which I might keep everything that I have. I probably won't get anything new besides a new plow. That'll be it. Otherwise, everything else on here is going to be the same. At least all the equipment here will be going to the new American map. Especially the new TLX 9000 semi. And excuse me, I got a little combine shovel. I'll put you guys in a second. Got it situated. So when a Dog 65 comes onto the new American map, it will not be trailing this. I'll show you what I'll be taking with what I'll be taking with it. Wait, no, there we go. Here we are. Well, it's not the prettiest. radius thing. And I don't know if I'd actually have it with me. And I don't even know if the Challenger 65 is even going to come with me. I still have not decided that yet. But otherwise, I might use that, or I might use that. Just have to go with the New Holland go with a New Holland tractor or something. Yeah. Just going at 12 miles an hour seems slow. And if I know for a fact that this will be nice, and I don't know, I probably will have the 8410 use this, and then the 65 will probably take over the job of VTing. So, I don't know. But yes, I'll still have the MX270 with me. Probably for a grain cart tractor, I don't know. That's something I haven't decided yet. So, anyway, yeah, it's gonna be hard. Well, it's not gonna be a hard decision. I know what I'm gonna bring along with me and what I'm not gonna bring along with me. So,